ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज number 528. We have completed the first brahmana of Dvitiya Adhyaya. Dvitiya Adhyaya, Prathama Brahmana was Ajatashatru. The final message of this Brahmana was given in the second line of Bhashya. Tasmat Parabrahma Vyatirekena Sansari Nama Nanyad Vastu Antaram Asti. This is the main teaching. Don't worry about underlining, understand. There is no Sansari who is going through Sansara. Parabrahma Vyatirekena Sansari, Aham Sukhi, Aham Dukhi, Aham Hetu Phalatmakaha. There is no such thing. Nanyad Vastvantaram Asti. Now if we say, but I am going through all this, then what should I do? So you say that is mithya. That is where I have to understand Vaitatya Prakarana. Not somebody is mithya like that. Last line of that bhashya was Tasmat Parasyaiva Brahmanaha Satyasya Satyam Namopanishad Para. Tasmat Parasyaiva Brahmanaha Satyasya Satyam Nama Para Upanishad. In this way you have to do the Anvaya. Brahmanaha Satyasya Satyam Nama Para Upanishad. Because Upanishad is strilinga, so Para, therefore Nama. That is called Rahasyam. In other words, Vyavaharik Jagat or Samsara is given the Satya Sanya, but it's Satyam. Satyasya Satyam. Satyasya Satyam is Brahma. Shashthyanta Shabda is Vyavaharika. Prathamanta Shabda will be Paramarthika. Tika. Vritta Vartishyamanayoho Sangatim Vaktum Vrittam Kirtayati. Vritta Vartishyamanayoho Sangati. Sangati will be there between what is already done and what is yet to come. Sangatis are of 6 types. So we have seen, like Karya Karana Sangati will be there. Then Prasanga, you were asking, Prasanga Sangati will be there. Prasanga means depending upon what is the context. So while we are discussing Hetu, we can discuss about Hetu Abhasa. This is one way of seeing the Prasanga Sangati. Then Upodghata Sangati, Karya Karana Sangati, like that, different Sangatis are there. So here the sangati between what we already saw in first chapter and now what we first section and what we are going to see in second section. Between them, sangatim vaktum vrittam kirtayati. Acharya. Acharya, what is already covered, he mentions it again. Brahma jnapayishyami iti prastutam. First he said, I will teach you Brahma. Tatra. So Brahma jnapayishyami, who said? Or Balaki? Brahmate Brahmani Balaki said. Ajata Shatru said Brahma jnapayishyami. Tatra yato jagat jatam yanmayam yasminscha, anuswara is missing. Yasminscha liyate tadekam Brahma iti vijñapitam. And what was revealed? Yato jagat jatam. Yataha panchami. Yasmat. Yasmat jagat jatam. Yanmayam means sthitam. And yasminscha liyate, and that in which there is laya. Yasminscha pralayam yanti punareva yugakshaye. Vishnu Shastra. Right? And just now somebody chanted one shloka, avidyaya jagat jatam. Nasti sattvam ihanvapi. So there it is in Tritiya. Avidyaya brahmanaha jagat jatam. Jagat came from Brahma because of avidya. In this way you should understand. Yasmin shaliyate brahmani. Laya is also in Brahma. This came in Chandogya, means this comes in Chandogya. Tajjam, Tallam, and Tad-an, Praniti, like that. Tajjalan. That Tadekam Brahma iti vijñapitam. Tika. Brahmate Bravani iti prakramya. Eva prakramya eva. Prakramya vyeva tva jnapayishyami. This is how the mantra was. Means eva tva vijñapayishyami. Vi anvaya will happen with jnapayishyami. Vijñapayishyami iti pratignyaya jagato janmadayo yatas tad advitiyam brahma iti vyakhyatam ityartha. So in our buddhi, our earlier thinking, means before studying Shastra or Upanishads, our thinking is Jagat is matter. I experience it as a matter. And Vedanta says Jagat comes from Chaitanya. Brahma means Chaitanya. So obviously nobody is going to experience it as Chaitanya because Chaitanya is Drashta. Jagat is experienced as Drishya. But that Drishya or Jada is Vivarta of Chaitanya. This much should come in my buddhi. This is the additional thing which I did not know before. Before studying of Upanishad, this I did not know. That Jada is Vivarta of Chaitanya. Jada is not independent. This I should grasp here. And then Nididhyasanam will be this. Whenever I see Jada, it is Vivarta of Chaitanya. Whenever I see Jada. So like that, some aspects I have to gather. Then that earlier we saw, this is the Chintanam I have to do, right? From Shastra. Tad advitiyam Brahma iti vyakhyatam ityartha. Janmadi vishayasya jagataha swarupam pritchati. Now, Janmadi vishayasya jagataha. Janmadi, Vishaya of Janmadi is Jagat. So, what is the Swarupam of that in Bhashya? किमात्मकं पुनस्तज्जगत् जायते लीयते च। च तिष्ठति, there is given अतिष्ठति. तिष्ठति is enough. If the chakara is there, so chakara you will have to, it's given. So the chakara means jayate liyate cha tishtati should be there, or cha attishtati. So it will become cha attishtati. But what is that? Chakara attishtati. Okay, that way you can put cha attishtati. Chakara attishtati. Kimatmakam, what is the samasa vigraha?
किम आत्मा यस्य सः कः आत्मा यस्य सः
कः आत्मा, क आत्मा यस्य सः किमात्मकम, because jagat is napunsakalinga and atma is pullinga. But if you have to do alaukika vigraha, then you will have to say kim su, atma su. So the meaning of this line is, what is the atma of that jagat which has utpatti sthiti laya? Panchabhutatmakam. It is Panchabhutatmakam. Tika. Vipratipatti nirasartham tat swarupam aha. So jagat is Panchabhutatmakam. So there is no vipratipatti, means other erroneous idea. Kathan tarhi nama rupa karmatmakam jagat iti uktam. So then earlier you said jagat is nama rupa karmatmakam. Now you are saying it is Panchabhutatmakam. You say bhutani cha nama rupatmakani. Bhutas are of nama rupa karma swarupa. So this is same thing. Tatra gamagam aha nama rupe satyam iti hi uktam. So nama rupe satyam, and then tasya satyasya satyam. Tasya satyasya panchabhutatmakasya satyam brahma. Nama rupa is satyam, means vyavaharik satyam. Of this panchabhutatmaka jagat, another satyam is brahma. भूतानां सत्यत्वे कथम ब्रह्मणः सत्यत्व वाचो युक्तिः इति आशंका. If bhutas are also satyam, then how Brahma is also satyam? Brahmanah satyatva vacho yuktihi katham? How you can use the word satya for Brahma? So it is said, tasya satyasya satyam. It is this truth of the truth. Tika. Tat satyam iti avadharanat badhyeshu bhuteshu satyatva siddhiriti shankayitva samadhate. Tat satyam iti avadharanat. In Chandogya, tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi. That is what they have given in the Tippani. Tat satyam means that Brahma is satyam. When badhyeshu bhuteshu satyatva asiddhi, if Brahma is satyam, means tadeva satyam, that alone is satyam. So then you cannot have two satya. Bhuta, Panchabhutatmaka also Satyam and Brahma also Satyam, that is not possible. Which says yes. That other Satya is Badhita. Satyatva Siddhi iti Shankayatva Samadhate Katham Punarbhutani Satyam iti Murta Murta Brahmanam. How these Panchabhutas are also Satyam? So that was said in Murta Murta Brahmanam. Tippani number 2 and 3. Arabhyate. Murta Murta Brahmana starts with this only. Murta Murta Bhutatmakatvat. Tika first. Satyatyach Satyam. इति व्युत्पत्त्या भूतानि सत्य शब्द वाच्यानि विवक्ष्यन्ते चेत् कथं तर्हि कार्यकरण संघातस्य प्राणानांच सत्यत्वम् उक्तं तत्र आह. सत्यत्यच सत्यम इति व्युत्पत्त्या, by this व्युत्पत्ति, so there is sat and there is tyat. Together, Bhutani Satya Shabda Vachyani. So, Pancha Mahabhutas, that's why they are called Satya. Vivakshante Chet. Kathan Tarhi Karya Karana Sanghatasya Prananancha Satyatvam Uktam. Then, how Karya Karana Sanghata and Prana, Karya Karana Sanghatasya Prananancha Satyatvam Katham Uktam. Means all of them are Anatma. So it is said in Bhashya, Murta Murta Bhutatmakatvat Karya Karanatmakani Bhutani Prana Api Satyam. In Murta Murta Brahmana, this was explained as Murta Murta Bhutatmakatvat. Murta Bhuta are what?
Panchabhuta.
वायु
पृथ्वी वायु जल आप.
Panchamahabhuta.
Vayu has Rupa.
No.
Vayu is Prithvi, Jal, Teja.
Jal,
They are Murta.
Teja.
Akasha Vayu, Amurta. This is how it was given in Brahadaranyaka. Karya Karanatmakani Bhutani Prana Api Satya. So all the Karya Karana. Karya means all the Sthula Prapancha. Karana means everything what is Sukshma Prapancha. All of that. Karya Karanatmakani Bhutani Prana Api Satyam. Teshang Karya Tika यथोक्त भूत रूपत्वात् कार्यकरणानां तदात्मकानि भूतानि सत्यानि इति अंगीकारात् कार्यकरणानां सत्यत्वं प्राणा अपि तदात्मकाः सत्य शब्द वाच्या भवन्ति इति प्राणा वै सत्यम इति अविरुद्धम इत्यर्थः. यथोक्त भूत रूपत्वात् कार्यकरणानां कार्यकरण यथोक्त भूत रूप पंचभूतात्मक तदात्मकानि भूतानि सत्यानि इति अंगीकारात् and it is satya that is accepted. कार्यकरणानां सत्यत्वं प्राणा अपि तदात्मकाः सत्य शब्दवाच्या भवन्ति. So prana also they are called satya because pranas are also panchamahabhutatmaka. इति प्राणा वै सत्यम इति अविरुद्धम इत्यर्थः. In this way, introduction is done. एवं पातनिकां कृत्वा उत्तर ब्राह्मण द्वयस्य विषयम् आह. This is Patanika. Patanika means introduction. Brahmana Dvaya. Now next two Brahmanas we already saw, they are the explanation of first Brahmana. Okay. Then fourth Brahmana is Yajnavalkya Maitreyi Samvada. Fifth Brahmana is Madhu Brahmana. And that will be it. Sixth Brahmana is Vamsha Brahmana. Brahmana Dvayasya Vishayam Aha. तेषां कार्यकरणात्मकानां भूतानां सतत्व निर्दिधारयिषया ब्राह्मणद्वयम् आरभ्यते सैव उपनिषद व्याख्या. तेषां कार्यकरणात्मकानां भूतानां, दिस कार्यकरणात्मक भूत सतत्व निर्दिधारयिषया, निर्धारयितुम् इच्छा, निर्दिधारयिषा, तया निर्दिधारयिषया. What is the dhatu?
Dhru dhatu.
दुधाएं धारण पोषण योग. Brahmana dvayam arabhyate. So second and third Brahmana. What are they for? Saiva Upanishad Vyakhya. Upanishad Shabda was there. Satyasya Satyam, Pranavai Satyam, Teshamesha Satyam. Saiva Upanishad, like that it was given. That Upanishad Vyakhya means Upanishad Shabda is elaborated here. Tika. Upanishad Vyakhyanaya Brahmana Dvayam iti ukti viruddham etad iti ashankyaha saiva Upanishad Vyakhya. This Brahmana Dvaya is not for Upanishad Vyakhyanam. Somebody may ask, Upanishad Vyakhyanaya Brahmana Dvayam iti ukti viruddham. We said, no, this itself is for Upanishad Vyakhya. Saiva. Karya Karanatmakanam Bhutanam Swarupa Nirdharanaiva Upanishad Vyakhya iti atra hetumaha. Karya Karanatmakanam Bhutanam Swarupa Nirdhar. Upanishad means Rahasya. You should not forget. Karya Karanatmakanam Bhutanam Swarupa Nirdharana eva Upanishad Vyakhya. To understand the essence or the Atma of Karya Karanatmaka Bhuta, Karya Karanatmakanam Bhutanam Swarupa Nirdharana eva Upanishad Vyakhya. This is called Upanishad. In general also I can understand whatever Jagat I see, what is its Atma? That Shastra which talks about it is called Upanishad, and that is Rahasya for us, means it is not known. After studying also, if it is not known, what to talk of without studying? Atra hetumaha karya in bhashya. Karya karana satatva avadharana dvarena hi satyasya satyam brahma avadharyate. Karya karana satatva avadharana dvarena. Karya karana, this prapancha, it has its tattva, satatva avadharana. First Nishchay should be Karya and Karana, they are not Swatantra. They have something which is its essence, which is supporting it. What I see is not final. There is something more. So this avadharanam is satyasya satyam. So I see vyavaharik satya, but this satya has another satya. This avadharanam, and then what is its swarupa ityadi, I understand. So karya karana satatva avadharana dvarena hi satyasya satyam brahma avadharita. This is very simple. Drashtanta, if you want to take, you go somewhere and you see, lot of big things, setup, this, that, everything. So you see, some people get fascinated, mesmerized, this, that. So this is one satyam. Now behind this there is another satyam. Now what is that? That could differ for people. So how we understand? Let us say you see something. See, there is punya pratapa here. This doesn't come without punya. This doesn't come without dharma. So there is something beyond this. Only in vyavaharik astara. There is Brahma behind this, that is Satyam, this is all supported by, that is of course Upanishad will tell. But otherwise also, you see somebody in some stage where he has been very successful. Means how much effort this person has put to come to this position, that is something that avadharanam, I should understand that this doesn't come just like that. If it was that easy, anyone could get it. It doesn't happen. So there is so much effort. So all these things, sadharana vyakti also should understand in the world. Means we do. And then only we are using our pramana properly. That I am not only pratyaksha pramanavadi, that beyond this I can't understand anything. I see it like this is how it is. You are pashu then. 6 pramanas we are using for this reason only. I do some anuma that if sukham is there, sukham is the own result only of punya. So if that punya has to be there. And if punya is not there, this outer seeming sukham is deceiving. There is dukkham inside. So this is how I use pramana, and this is why person who has better strength of pramana, with which he has prama, his knowledge will be much more. He can see things very differently. And here, of course, you have alaukika pramana, Upanishad, apaurushaya pramana. Brahma avadharyate. Tika. Brahmana dvayam evam avatarya. So now Brahmana dvaya avataranam is done. Avatarya. Shishu Brahmanasya avantara sangatim aha. So next Brahmana name is Shishu Brahmana. Now somebody will ask, Shishu means a child, infant is called Shishu. So now why Brahadaranyaka has to talk about some Shishu Brahmana? So here Shishu means prana. Those who don't understand these things and they just want to literally translate Shishu Brahmanam. So now, Swamiji, can you give translation for Shishu Brahmanam? What will be the translation? Not infant, section on infant, section on prana. Prana upasana. Shishu Brahmanasya avantar sangatim aha. Atra uktam prana vai satyam tesham esha satyam iti. Pranadar satyam tesham esha satyam. But this is as satyam. In the sense, when my focus is on prana, my focus will not be on any idam. Then I will come to what is the essence of prana. Tasya satyam in this. Prana means all indriya, mind, everything is included in prana. So then nothing, mind cannot go anywhere else. It will be focused there. He will talk about that. तत्र के प्राणाः कियत्यो वा प्राण विषया उपनिषदः का इति च ब्रह्मोपनिषद प्रसंगेन करणानां प्राणानां स्वरूपम अवधारयति. तो तत्र के प्राणाः, what are these pranas? कियत्यो वा प्राण विषया, what are the प्राण विषयas which are mentioned. उपनिषदः का, और प्राण विषयाः उपनिषदः, of the Upanishad, what are the prana vishayas? And what they are. Kiyate means how many actually. How many are the prana vishayas and what they are. Iti cha Brahmopanishad prasangena. So now, this is prasanga sangati. Because we were discussing about there is no samsari. There is only one Brahma. Now, because it was said, satyasya satyam, pranaesha satyam, teshamesha satyam. So, because of that context, this topic has come. Brahmopanishad prasangena karananam prananam swarupam avadharayati. Brahmopanishad prasangena karananam means prananam. Prana means all karana. Swarupam avadharayati. Now, tika. उपनिषदः का कियत्यो वा इति उपसंख्यातव्यम् इति आकांक्षायाम् इति शेषः. काः उपनिषदः कियत्यो वा उपसंख्यातव्यम् मीन्स निर्णेतव्यम्. संख्या शब्द is for what is, you know what is Sankhya Yoga in Dvitiya Adhyaya in Bhagavad Gita. What is Sankhya? Sankhya Yoga.
Jnana Yoga.
No, but how you can say Sankhya means Jnana? If that was the case, why didn't Bhagavan call it as, or Madhusudan Saraswati call it as Jnana Yoga? He always said Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Karma Yogena Yogina. Eshate Abhita Sankhye Buddhir Yoge tu Imam Shrunu. There are so many Gita. I'm sure a lot of people have given discourses on Bhagavad Gita. Samyak Khyayate Anaya Brahma Vidyaya iti Sankhya. Sankhya there means Brahma, Atma. That which is very well expounded by this Vidya that Bhagavan is giving. That is this Brahma Vidya. That is called Sankhya. That's why that chapter is called Sankhya Yoga. So here Sankhyaatavyam, Upasankhyaatavyam. Sankhyaatavyam here is also in the form of Nirnetavyam. Nishchaya. We should have the Nishchaya about it. Means we should know it very well. It should be clearly expounded. Like that Sankhya Yoga clearly expounds the nature of Atma. That chapter is for that. That's why chapter is over by 25th shloka. After that is all keeping Arjuna engaged. So upasankhyaatavyam iti akankshayam iti shesha. So some akanksha will be there. ब्रह्म चेद अवधारयितुम् इष्टं तर्हि तदेव अवधार्यताम्. Now somebody says you want to talk about Brahma. Why can't you talk only about Brahma? Why all this किमिति मध्य करण स्वरूपम अवधार्यते? Why you want to talk about prana in the middle? Somebody may have question. Anand Giriji himself has put that. Tatraha. Why? Pathigata kupa आरामाद्य अवधारणात्. पथिगत कूप आरामादि अवधारणात्, अवधारणवत्. If I am going on the marga and in that marga if there is a koopa, I will get the knowledge of that. I will have good knowledge of what it is. Arama, some arama sthala is there, like dharmashala, etc. Where I stay, then I will have the knowledge. Don't think Bhashyakar is interested in talking about other things other than Brahma. I mean, if you and I think I have urgency to know Brahma, he has more urgency to talk only about Brahma. But prasanga vashat something comes. So then we should understand how it will help me in reaching my destination. Tika. So this introduction is for the next mantra. You see this mantra. All this is explained keeping in mind what is coming. Brahmana tatparyam uktva tad aksharani yojayati. Brahmana tatparya is given. Now akshara yojana, mantra. यो हवै शिशुं साधानं सप्रत्याधानं सस्थूणं सदामं वेद सप्तह द्विशतो भ्रातृव्यान् वरुणद्धि अयं वाव शिशुर्योऽयं मध्यमः प्राणस्तस्येदमेव आधानमिदं प्रत्याधानं प्राणः स्थूणान्नं दाम. यो हवै शिशुः. शिशुं Veda. You have to understand this way. Yohavai Shishum Veda. The one who knows this Shishu. How? Sadhanam sapratyadhanam sasthunam sadamam. So the sutra here is Tena saha iti tulya yoge. Tena saha. Adhanena saha iti sadhanam. प्रत्याधानेन सह इति सप्रत्याधानम. रामेण सह लक्ष्मणो गच्छति. रामेण सह इति सरामः. सरामः सरामो लक्ष्मणो गच्छति. In this, so that sarama, that sa, you will say there is no such thing. He said this is the sutra. Tena saha iti tulya yoge 2 to 28. So along with adhanam, pratyadhanam, sthunam and damam, I should know Shishu. Shishu I should know with all these 4 things. The one who knows Yohavai Veda, saptaha dvishato bhratruvyan avarunadhi. He's 7 bhratruvya. Bhratruvya means he's dveshi. Those who do dvesha, such. Bhratruvya means like sautele bhai, cousins you call, or where there is same father but different mother, then they fight among each other, or like this Pandava Kaurava kind of situation. All of them, or any other external dveshi also. Okay. Now what is Shishu? Ayam vava Shishuhu. Yo ayam madhyamaha prana. This madhyama prana means this mukhya prana is Shishu. तस्य इदमेव आधानम. What is adhanam? Idam. Idam means this. So idam shabda vachya is shariram. Idam shariram. This is adhanam. Means you have to know prana, you have to know sharira. Then idam pratyadhanam. Idam means shiraha, where this prana functions through all these apertures of the indriyas. This is shira, this is pratyadhanam. Prana sthuna. Prana itself is sthuna. Sthuna means that which is firm, like sthuna nikhananya is the support, if you call. And annam is dama. Dama means a rope. So you have a post, then a rope where something is tied, like that. Bhashya. Yo havai shishum sadhanam sapratyadhanam sasthunam sadamam veda tasya idam phalam. They will get this phalam. Kim tat phalam? Sapta sapta sankhyakan द्विशतो द्वेष कर्तृन भ्रातृव्यान भ्रातृव्या ही द्विविधा भवन्ति. So his sapta sapta sankhyakan. Sapta means sapta sankhyakan, 7. Dvishatah bhratrivya. Those cousins or those opponents who have dvesha. Dvesha kartrin. Kartrin, rikara dirgha. What is the sutra? What is this? Where does it? What is the vibhakti for this? Vibhakti and vachana? Dvitiya bahuvachan. Nami sutra doesn't come in Dvitiya bahuvachan. It's Shashti. What is the sutra here? प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण. प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण. Nami sutra is Angasya dirgha. It is only Shashti bahuvachana. And Nakar comes by which sutra? Kartrin. Raman. Tasmat chaso na punsi. Why such a long time for? This means we may memorize sutras, but when somewhere somebody says, what is the sutra here, how this dirgha comes or how this nakara, that we don't. Then when they say tasmat chaso, then say, I know, naha pumsi. So in our buddhi, this connection is not there. Memorized sutras are there and shastra is separate. It is like in school when they teach 2 plus 2 bananas plus 2 bananas is 4 bananas. And at home they ask, if we have 2 oranges and 2 oranges, how many they are? They say, I know only how to add bananas. Because that is all they teach us in school. And one boy, the time is over. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्य कृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवत् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।